Okay.
All right, it's Christmas time at the Good Residence. New Year or Christmas Eve 2009. Bender's first Christmas that he gets a present. Let's see how he does it. You want a present? Santa Claus? Go get it. Open your present.
What is it?
What's this?
Open it a little bit.
Oh, you already have that. Let me help you. Oh yeah. A little bit by bit. Bit by bit.
Well, let me get it.
Oh, he's opening it.
Yeah.
Open that. Open that. Oh, boy. Open your present in here. Oh, you gotta open it yourself. That's fun. Open it up. Yeah, get in there. You love it so much. The anticipation's killing you, isn't it? Just open it.
Your boyfriend. Yeah.
There we go. I've never seen the dog so excited about the present. It's just what you want? Are you happy? What is it? What is it? What is it? Do you know? What is it? What is it? Oh, yeah, it's a frisbee. Everything you always wanted. Okay, we'll play later though. Okay, it's Christmas. You like it? You like your present? You like your present, Bender? Bender like his present? Alright, frisbee in the house. You like it? Hopefully Mommy likes her present just as much. Okay.
Okay.